Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really exciting to unbox, the brand new 2025 Jeep. This is one of the most highly anticipated vehicles of the year, and we finally have it here. From its rugged design to its cutting-edge features, this Jeep is built to impress. Whether you're a Jeep enthusiast or just curious about what this model has to offer, you're in for a treat. Let's get started and see what's inside the box. The packaging is impressive, with a bold and modern design that showcases the Jeep's capabilities right on the front. The box itself is sturdy, ensuring that everything inside is well protected during shipping. Now, let's carefully open it up and take a look inside. As soon as we lift the lid, we're greeted with a well-organized layout. Everything is securely placed to prevent any movement or damage during transport. Right on top, we have the owner's manual and some essential documents, including warranty information and a quick start guide. These are important for understanding the vehicle's features, maintenance tips, and how to get started with your new Jeep. Now, moving on to the main attraction, the 2025 Jeep itself. As we pull it out of the packaging, the first thing that stands out is its bold and rugged design. The exterior looks stunning, with a perfect blend of classic Jeep styling and modern enhancements. The front grille retains its signature 7-slot design but now features sleeker LED headlights that give it a more aggressive and futuristic look. The body lines are sharp and well-defined, adding to the overall muscular appearance. The wheels are large and equipped with all-terrain tires, ready to tackle any kind of road or off-road adventure. Taking a closer look at the details, the build quality is exceptional. The materials feel premium, and every component looks solid and durable. The bumpers are reinforced, giving extra protection for off-road excursions. The side mirrors are now aerodynamically designed for improved efficiency, and the roof has an optional removable panel for an open-air driving experience. Jeep has clearly paid attention to both aesthetics and functionality in this model. Now, let's take a look inside. Opening the door, we're greeted with a beautifully designed interior that combines comfort with rugged practicality. The seats are made of high-quality materials, offering excellent support whether you're on a long drive or tackling rough terrain. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a large touchscreen infotainment system at the center, featuring the latest connectivity options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing real-time information in a sleek and modern display. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Jeep is its technology. This model comes with an advanced off-road management system that allows you to switch between different driving modes depending on the terrain. Whether you're driving on snow, sand, mud, or rocks, this Jeep adapts to provide the best traction and control. The four-wheel drive system is more refined than ever, giving you confidence in any driving condition. Another exciting feature is the updated suspension system, designed to provide a smoother ride even on the roughest trails. Under the hood, this Jeep packs a powerful engine that delivers both efficiency and performance. There are different engine options available, including a fuel-efficient hybrid model and a high-performance version for those who love power and speed. The transmission is smooth, ensuring seamless gear shifts whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing steep trails. The towing capacity has also been improved, making it easier to haul trailers, boats, or other heavy loads. Safety has been a major focus in this model, and Jeep has equipped it with the latest driver assistance technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking ensure a safer driving experience. The new 360-degree camera system provides a complete view around the vehicle, making parking and off-road maneuvering much easier. Another great addition to the 2025 Jeep is its improved fuel efficiency. With advancements in engine technology and aerodynamics, this model offers better mileage compared to its predecessors. The hybrid version is especially impressive, allowing you to drive longer distances with lower fuel consumption. The regenerative braking system also helps in maximizing energy efficiency. Now, let's talk about customization options. Jeep enthusiasts love personalizing their vehicles, and this model offers plenty of choices. From different color options and wheel designs to various roof and door configurations, you can truly make this Jeep your own. There are also several accessory packages available, including off-road kits, lighting upgrades, and performance enhancements. Whether you prefer a more luxurious setup or a fully rugged off-road machine, this Jeep has something for everyone. Overall, the 2025 Jeep is an incredible vehicle that stays true to its adventurous spirit while incorporating the latest technology and modern design. It's built to handle any challenge, whether it's city streets, highways, or off-road trails. With its powerful performance, advanced features, and customizable options, this Jeep is ready for any journey you want to take. That wraps up today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed getting a first look at this amazing vehicle. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Jeep and if you'd like to see a full test drive in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.